Big Bosses every season grabs eyeballs and the excitement begins every year. This year, with Salman Khan leaving out the possibility of not hosting the show, many names are being thought about for hosting it. We bring you an interesting list of celebrities who can be a part of Big Boss Season 8 and participate in the most controversial show on the small screen. Alok Nath, who recently rocked Twitter with the jokes based on Babuji, can be the perfect inmate for Big Boss. The actor, known for his sanskars, can get a good chance to spring in some religious moments in the house. Sunil Grover, known for his popular comedic stint as Gutti first in Comedy Nights with Kapil and then Chutki in his home venture Mad in India in the last year, has attracted a lot of attention with his controversy with Kapil Sharma. The actor seems to be the right option to be in Big Boss Season 8. Adult star Shanti Dynamite is one name which has caught everyone's attention as she plans to get into Bollywood. Earlier it was Sunny Leone who had charmed many in the industry. In an earlier interview on her comparison with Sunny, Shanti said, "It's obvious when two beautiful ladies stand together, comparisons are bound to happen. She could be the Sunny Leone of Season 8. Shivaji Satham, who is ruling the small screen in CID for years, can be a favorite on the list of contestants for Big Boss Season 8. The actor is a popular face on television and can attract more audience to the show. With the high dose of drama and suspense on the show, the actor can solve mysteries on the reality show. Sania Mirza married Shoaib Malik and became the talk of the town. The cricketer can be another sports person to the list of personalities from the world of sports who have been on the Big Boss show. This Jodi will bring masala to this controversial show. We have seen Salman Khan being a godfather and giving a break to many. Salman's alleged ex-girlfriend Lilia Vanter, who was part of the film O Teri and was seen doing a special song in the film, can too be in the right contestants for the show. Big Boss is known for getting foreign beauties on the show and Lilia can bring in the right amount of entertainment. Yo-Yo Honey Singh became a popular name after he delivered hits in films like Mere Dad Ki Maruti, Bajate Raho, Chennai Express and Boss. The Indian rapper also grabbed attention with few controversies in his career and is known for his larger-than-life personality. The singer will surely add glamour on the show and his presence will make sure that all the inmates are entertained. Sunny Leone's husband Daniel Webber too grabbed eyeballs with his presence along with his Sunny Leone in India. The adult film actor and producer married Sunny and both of them are seen together promoting Sunny's films. Daniel had also made a cameo in Sunny's Jackpot. Daniel becomes the right choice for Big Boss Season 8 with his intense persona and killer looks. So guys, tell us who else would you like to watch in the Big Boss house this season with your comments below. Hit like and don't forget to subscribe to the Reality Circus for more such daily reality bites.